Why are humans exploring the universe
terrifying
more and more?
Because the universe is
Many
hidden.
phenomena that subvert human cognition.
For us who live on Earth,
we know everything around us. This sense of security comes from
familiarity of things,
and we believe that these substances will
reliable
persist.
existence.
However, when we look beyond the Earth to explore the vastness of the universe,
You will find
the Earth is as small as a speck of dust in the universe.
in that cold darkness,
filled with unknown interstellar space,
there are a large
terrifying
number
celestial bodies beyond human
They
imagination.
have frightening surface temperatures.
Some are unbelievably large. Some have been shrouded in super hurricanes for a long
This
time.
is a
world that humans cannot control. Humans are afraid of the
And
unknown.
space
is just full of unknowns. The reason why we think the Earth is
insignificant,
because we found
Jupiter
out is only 700 million kilometers
Its volume
from
could
Earth. hold more than 1,300
And Jupiter's
Earths.
Great
Red Spot has been raging
It was
for
a
hundreds of
superstorm.
years. It could devour the entire planet. However,
Jupiter is not the largest object in the solar system.
the largest solar system is the Sun.
It's
about 1,000 times the size of Jupiter.
1.30 million times the size
For
of the
us,
Earth.
the Sun is already huge.
But 100,000 light years in
the
the
Sun
Milky
is
Way.
just an ordinary star. Take Shengshu Temple as an
Shengshu
example.
Temple is a red supergiant.
It's 700 million times the size of the
If
Sun.
you place it in the position of the Sun,
then its edge will reach the orbit of Jupiter.
Earth and Mars will be swallowed up.
You could say
The Sun is like a grain of sand compared to Shengshu
and the
Temple.
Earth is
insignificant.
But compared to Stevenson 218, Shengshu
dwarfed.
Temple,
Because of the size of Stevenson
10
218
billion times the Sun.
If the Sun were to be compared to a basketball,
So,
Stevenson 218 is like a huge
The
stadium.
entire
solar system stood before him like
Except
a dot.
for the stars.
Black holes in the universe are also amazingly
5.70
large. billion light years from Earth. Scientists have discovered the largest known black
The
hole
mass
in the
of this
universe.
black
More
hole.
than 100 billion times the
His
size of the
Schwarzschild
Sun is about 590.5
Equivalent to
billion kilometers in
3,900
diameter. How did a black
astronomical
hole with
units
such a massive mass form? Humans simply cannot understand. The universe is teeming with all kinds of giant
Their
celestial
presence
bodies.
makes us aware
The
of
smallness of the Earth in the
It's
universe
almost
negligible. 2011, scientists have discovered a star in the
Fiery
direction of
teardrop
Cygnus.
planet.
It's called Kepler 7b. Kepler 7b is 75.9% the diameter
That's
of Earth. 44% the mass of the
It's
Earth.
a surface temperature.
Planets up to 6,900 degrees
hotter
Celsius
than
most stars. You could say Kepler. Kyllingby is a real purgatory planet. Nothing can survive on it. And he is spiraling closer to his parent star, eventually destined to be swallowed by flames. Except for these extreme celestial
universe,
bodies, there are other places that are equally terrifying.
And that
is the void. And these voids are no ordinary empty
It's
spaces.
an
unimaginably vast area.
There
are hardly any galaxies
There was
in
a
it. Stifling silence. This is the
horizontal.
horizontal light years across. The universe is
KBC
super
void.
empty. Imagine that. If you travel in this vast area, then for an extremely long time, hardly any other galaxies. From a cosmic perspective, why are the galaxies in the void so sparse? Why is there such a void in the universe? All of this, we know almost nothing. The KBC void is more than just the emptiness
also
of
represents
space. The state of the universe that we don't understand. What's even more terrifying is the universe is constantly expanding. Make these voids bigger. This way, galaxies are going to get farther and
Finally,
farther apart.
the
light from distant galaxies will no longer reach our planet. Then the universe will become darker, lonelier, and desolate. Facing the vastness and uncertainty of
can't
the
help
universe,
but ask,
are humans the only intelligent beings in the universe? This question has always been in the human mind. The universe is so vast. The number of galaxies is countless. Each galaxy contains tens of
Even
billions,
tens
of thousands of stars. Many of these stars, they all have more than one planet orbiting them. Then the Earth. Will it be the only planet in the universe that has life? If we estimate according to the Drake equation, the number of possible alien civilizations, the universe should have thousands of planets. There is life. So why haven't we been able to find them?
Scientists study that. Maybe it's because of the distance. Let humans. It is impossible to travel to other stars in the universe. Even away. Proxima Centauri, for point to light years away, is also out of reach. It could also be our detection technology. Not advanced enough. After all, the history of human civilization is only a few thousand years for less than 100 years. And the Milky Way has been around for billions of years. If other civilizations of intelligent life also similar on the time scale of development than in the universe, life on other planets, it may be at a higher stage of development, and we may not be there yet, able to identify their stages, or they have already expanded to levels we can't imagine. According to the principle in the distant future, every star in the universe, every planet, even every galaxy eventually comes to an end. Scientists call this process the hot season or the big freeze. As the universe continues to expand, everything will become farther and farther away. Stars will burn out. The black hole will evaporate. All energy will be exhausted. The universe will be plunged into complete darkness, in the emptiness and silence. No more stars. No more light. There's no life. Only infinite nothingness. In the process, everything we used to know, the sun we see, galaxies, and even possible aliens will disappear. Only the cold remains. The darkness of emptiness extends forever. Maybe this is the more humans explore the universe, the more terrified, because anything dies. Even the universe itself. One day it will perish. Although human technology is changing, but our understanding of the universe remains extremely limited. As of now, scientists use a variety of observational and experimental methods. Matter makes up only 5% of the mass. Dark matter and dark energy make up 95% but we know of the almost nothing about them. It's not just a lack of knowledge. It is a way to face the powerlessness of an unfamiliar universe. Let us feel. Maybe humans never can master all the mysteries of the universe.